Alright, YouTube, we about to get chopped for the show tomorrow. Plus, I just need a haircut in general. About to hit up my boy Za. Let's get it.
Yo, Ja, this be fire.
Alright, YouTube, this the before. Let's get it. I'm gonna show you the after. YouTube, my guy.
Sir, what's up?
Alright, YouTube, we got a package from Ghost Fit Apparel. This is what we're gonna be rocking to the show, me and Chris. Shout out my guy for sending me this, man. Definitely appreciate you. Let's check out what's inside. Alright, he hit us with all the goodies. We got the pants, the shirt with the Ghost Fit logo. Let's get it. The wristbands, all that. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, this is how we looking. Got the watch. I picked this up yesterday. This is a basic outfit. The type to try and like dress fancy. It just never appealed to me, but I am a watch guy and cologne. Let's go pick up my guy Chris. We're gonna give him the clothes. Then we're gonna go to Brooklyn. Cause it's on its way to Connecticut. So we're gonna head to Brooklyn, get some food, some soul food, then head to the show. We gotta eat first. Come on, man. We gotta eat first. Alright, YouTube, we got the Ghost Fit. This is my dog, Barber Chris. This is what we got on. It's the Ghost Fit tee, pants, some Nike Roche, got the watch. Something simple. It's a barber outfit. Barber apparel. We buying the power pods. Come on, man. Oh, yeah.
I am here with fourth kid right now.
This is my dog, Jeezy, man. All right, we doing the FedEx colorway. That's what we're doing.
All right, y'all heard him. We doing the FedEx colorway.
We got to keep the black lady. Alright, YouTube, we just made it to the B&B. That's what it's looking like. When I booked this, it said I had one bed, but it got two, so let's get it. Alright, YouTube, it's currently 12:30 a.m. with the young dogs right now. Jordian Perez, and my dog, Barber Chris. We about to get this working real quick.
My hard work makes your life easier, or my kids easier, or my friends, or my coworkers, or whatever. If my hard work and sacrifice can better somebody's life.
Alright, YouTube, it is now Monday. We had a very long night, but I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. You know, I had to get the power pods. We got, you know, different pods in there. Got a free cake too. This is something I've been meaning to get. The skin clipper. It's like the just a botter, similar to the wall botter that they released years ago. Alright, YouTube, we getting this video out. We about to get kicked out this Airbnb. The cleaning people was waiting outside, but we gotta get this video out. Got my dog Chris. We about to grab some breakfast. We'll see y'all there. Alright, YouTube, we trying to post this video, but the Wi-Fi sucks. We gonna get it done though. YouTube, my guys at Easy Blade, they just hooked me up with some We at the Barber Plug booth. Shout out Barber Plug for letting me cut. About to cut Kev. Let's get it. Look at your hairline.
I knew I was gonna be crispy, bro.
That's straight?
I knew it was gonna be crispy.
What you think, Jeezy?
You about to hate.
That's straight, bro. That's straight. That's straight as hell. That's straight.
On me. You about to hate on me.
Like,
you about to hate on
complete
me.
surgicalness.
Ken is one of the best to do it.
Appreciate you.
The line, the symmetry, the detail is there. But you want to know what ain't there? The waves. Unfortunately.
Oh, man.
Did you cut this down, King? What you hit it with?
2.
I'm done with you, bro. I'm so done with you, bro. Got a big head. Don't say that in the comments. Leave this in here, Ken. I don't care nothing about my head size. I prefer a straight line up for having it rounded or whatever, because it's naturally rounded. I want a straight line. I don't care about no big forehead. So, for all the comments, can't say I'm not crispy though.